Let me show you the right way to save your project for your social media platforms. So once you're done with your designs, the next thing you need to do is to go to where you have file, right? And then you go to, that's under export, right? You go to where you have save for web legacy. Now it's going to give you or bring you like a little window, a dialog box with a lot of options. So you come to where you have presets, right? So I like leaving it at JPEG high just to ensure that I have the largest quality or sharpest quality possible, right? So I like leaving mine at JPEG high. Now under the quality, you can bump it up a bit, 60, above 60, but I think most of them I just like leaving at the default, which is 60. That's pretty decent. Now here you come to where you have optimized, right? I think this is the best option, right? Because I mean it helps your design to be properly optimized for your social media platforms to ensure that your designs are crisp and clear, the color schemes are maintained, and the resolution is also maintained as well. Now you ensure that you have this option convert RO to sRGB checked, right? So you can leave other settings or options the way they are, and then you come to right here where you have save. So next up, give your project a title. So I can just say YouTube thumbnail, and I click save. So this is pretty much how you can save your designs or your project for your different social media platforms. So I'm sure you had value from this. Please like this video and of course share with your friends, and of course ensure you are subscribed to the channel because I post a lot of design tips, tricks and tutorials every week. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.